I wanted to film this, I think, when I had enough time, but unfortunately, it has been a little bit busy. It has been super busy. I'm here at Joy Unspeakable in Pretoria. There is a dam somewhere there. There is the dam, and there are ducks. People are swimming, are fishing, doing all the things, and yeah, it's been a long weekend. I'm so sleepy. So yeah, it's been a long weekend. I love the place. So nice. It's super nice. So there are cottages everywhere here, and it's actually affordable. Super affordable. These are people doing their stuff there, enjoying themselves. Actually enjoying themselves here. Yo. So I'm so exhausted. Tried that. So people have tents everywhere. Yeah, it's fishing. Yeah. This is the rooms. This is where people are sleeping. And yeah, this has been my weekend. So, this is Joy Unspeakable Pretoria Roadblood, Camel Drift. And yeah, it's a nice place to be. I'm just tired. Oh, I slept late, covering 1, 2, 3 things. So yeah, right now I just want to rest. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment. I don't see the ducks. And there's a cat here. I think this cat is pregnant. This cat is pregnant. Look. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Oh my goodness. No. Not in this house, my friend. Oh. Yeah, the ducks there. Yeah.